how to fix no sound through TV on PS5. So here's what you want to do. First, you want to go into your settings. Then we are just going to navigate to the sound settings. Now here you want to select audio output and then output device. Make sure it is set to HDMI device. In this case, it's going to be our TV. Now switch output device automatically. Make sure this is disabled, and the HDMI device type is gonna be set to TV. If you're using an AV amplifier or a soundbar, you can select those options from here as well. Now once you have done this, then make sure that these are not turned off either. So you will see home screen music and sound effects. This is gonna be this might be turned off by somebody, so make sure both of these are enabled unless you have specifically disabled them. And if you still don't get TV sound from your PS5, then you might have a damaged HDMI port. Some people report that having their HDMI socket damaged causes the PlayStation to give out a screen, but it doesn't let them hear anything. So make sure you check out your HDMI slots and also your cables. Make sure they're properly connected, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.